Hey, what's up guys, it's Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of this LG's Gift Box A. So recently I purchased the LG Gram 14-inch laptop. So this is the LG Gram 14-inch laptop, and I've got this free gift box from them, and I've collected from the redemption center just moments ago, and I would like to show you what exactly comes inside this gift box. So you can see is LG Gift Box A. So let's unbox this and see what are the items they give you for this LG Gram. Okay, we have unboxed. So looking closer inside the box, we have this 20,000 mAh power pack. I believe this can actually do justice to the laptop. You can fully charge on one cycle to the laptop. So this is the back of the box, and you can see at the side we have two inputs, two outputs actually, USB A and one type C input output. And next up we have this cable, USB 3.2 type C to type C cable. So here you go, you can up to 20 gigabyte per second for the data transfer. Supports QC 2.0 and 3.0 pure copper wire. Supports PD 100 watts. So all these are from Verbatim. And next up is the universal travel adapter. So the travel adapter supports up to maximum of 45 watts PD and QC 3.0, and a fuse 80 protection fuse universal adapter. So on the side you have the universal socket, you have two USB A, yes, comes with a free pouch as well. And on the side here we have these instructions on the universal plugs. USB A, maximum 2.4 AH, share total 2.4 A, and we have the unlock button as well. Great, it's very good thought by LG to provide their customer who are purchasing the LG Gram with the essential accessories for the laptop while they are on travel. Apart from this gift box, I have actually got another gift from LG itself. So let me show you that box as well. So this is the box, Asal Hub by LG Gram. So I got this box by actually signing up on their Facebook page. I followed them, and then I've emailed them to this the link they have actually uploaded on their Facebook group, and I managed to get some interesting gift. Asal Light, Asal Right. So what I got inside here is a t-shirt from them, Asal Hub, XL size. Asal Light, Asal Right, LG Gram, Stefan Kunz. So this is one of the items, and yeah, welcome to Asal Hub by LG Gram. Okay, cool. So this is actually the laptop sleeve, and it's completely made by a recycled material by them. So I got the navy blue. So this will actually protect the laptop. It's actually a free size sleeve. You can put up to 17-inch size laptop. It might look soft, in fact It looks very rugged. The material is quite strong and I really liked it. Again, a good thought by LG. They really do care about their customers. Thank you LG for these awesome gifts for your customers. Talking about my laptop, LG laptop, and this is one freaking awesome laptop. It's damn light, you can see. I don't have to put much effort, and I will give you my review in coming weeks. I promise I'll give you my review on this LG Gram laptop. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the gift bag from LG. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks, bye.